Hey, Katie, you want to work for you?
You want to work for her?
Yeah.
Oh. What are you going to do?
Maybe combine?
You're going to run the combine?
Yeah.
What else can you do?
Oh. Don't know.
What are you doing down there?
Scratching.
How come? Is your herpes kicking in or what?
No.
No? So what'd you do before you were crazy?
Oh, I don't know. Not much.
No? How long has it been?
I don't know. In a couple of years.
Oh. What else do you know?
Oh, not so much.
Okay, I guess. Bye, I guess.
Yeah. I still take a picture of me.
Yeah,
Can I move around while you're doing that?
if you want.
What is that thing?
It's a phone.
Is it?
Yep.
Is that a snap picture thing?
Yep. Yepers. Well, you're pretty boring today.
Yeah, I know.
All right.